Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. Hope everybody's been doing okay. I'm sorry it's been a few days since I've gotten on here and given a new video or created a new video to post. But I've had some things going on and had some things I've been dealing with. That's okay, though. We're going to have success today. And some of those things that we need to do to have success is ask ourselves some questions. Okay? First of all, we know how to define success. So we need to define what is success for us in whatever situation we're dealing with. So, for example, if we say we want to better society or help our fellow man or whatever, then how do we quantify that success, or how do we determine that we've had success? Okay. Or if we want to do a self improvement, how do we determine that we are being successful in that pursuit? Okay. There's a lot of people out there that say you fail your way to success, and I actually agree with that. You do fail your way to success in a lot of cases. However, it doesn't hurt to have a goal and a way of getting there, and a kind of a philosophy or a motto, if you will, on how do we get to success. And to me, it's very, very simple. Okay? We got to ask ourselves some key questions. Those key questions would be, one, how do I get better today than I was yesterday? How do I become better every day than I was the day before? So the answer to that is simple. We work harder, study harder, push ourselves harder to be better today than we were yesterday, so we can be better tomorrow than we are today. Okay? That sounds a little complicated, and that's fine and dandy. I get it, right? However, you got to have some sort of way of saying, hey, this is how I have success. For me, it's I get better today than I was yesterday. I want to be better tomorrow than I am today. Okay? That's kind of my philosophy. Okay? So, for me to be a success, I kind of look for, have I improved today over yesterday? Has my attitude improved? Has my life improved? Has my health improved? Has whatever I need to improve improved? Okay? Could be anything. So we need to make sure that we're doing those things to make us better today than we were yesterday. Now, how do we do that? Really, there's no set stone answer into doing that, other than hard work. We develop a plan, we practice that plan, we prepare, we execute, and we keep moving forward. And when we fall, we get up, we make adjustments, and we move forward again. Okay? That's what it's all about. Success is never quitting. Success is never giving up. Success is saying, hey, I'm going to achieve this goal, or I'm going to accomplish this thing in my life because that's my goal. And there are times when you got to tell people, I don't care about your opinion or your beliefs or your thoughts, because I know who I am. And I know what I can do, and I believe in myself to the utmost extent. I've had to do that several times in my life. People told me, Chris, you can't be a United States Marine. You don't have what it takes. You know what? They were wrong. I proved them all wrong when I walked across that parade deck on October 29, 1993. And the battalion commander looked at us, and for the first time in my life, said, good morning, hotel company. Good morning, Marines. That's the first time I was ever called a Marine. But I earned that title that day after completing 13 weeks of hell on earth at MCRD San Diego. I took up a challenge, and I earned a title. Now, some people will say, you know what? How is that a success? It's a success because every day I had to set small goals to get through this obstacle, this class, or this physical training session, or this corrective training session, or whatever we were doing at that moment. It was survive that moment and to be better today than I was yesterday. Okay? And it really is very simple, guys. It's simple. Okay? So to have success, we want to be better today than we were yesterday. That's a good measure of success. But you got to kind of set your own boundaries and parameters. This is just giving you ideas, an outline, a skeletal structure, if you will. Okay? And you got to hang the meat on there, and you got to kind of build it out and develop it in a way that works for you. Because there's no one size fits all, or one way is the right way in every single way when it comes to having success. But there are keys to success that are there for everybody who has success. Okay? So remember that. Have success. Stay positive. Be better tomorrow than you are today. Okay? We'll see y'all next time. Have a great day. Have a great week. God bless. Semper Fi.